This is your weekly task 8 tutorial. So the first part was task 8, page 25, task 6. So it just asked you to do small calculations on Ahmed's electricity usage to display his total bill. So the first thing I did was create a variable that was Ahmed's units. So it was 684, which was given to you in the question. So 1 unit has been assigned to the variable of 19, which is 0.919 because it's cent. And then you have your standing charge of 26.2. So that means it's €26.20. So then I just put in a small little formula multiplying 684, which was the units, multiplied by 0.19, which is 19 cent per unit. I used brackets there because of the order of operations that we learnt about earlier. So I was a big Paddy McGee, met Dermot Dooley after school. So brackets come first. And then we add 26.2 to that. And then I wanted, because we're talking about money, I want to round to 2 decimal places. So I assigned total bill to the round function, total bill to 2 decimal places. So then I just wanted to print Ahmed's lecky bill is, and then total bill will come up there. Okay, so that was the first part of that question. You can see here I just wanted to separate these two sections in the output, so I just printed a blank space there, which you'll see that in the output now in a minute. So I might just run that first to explain it, and then I'll go through this part. So Ahmed's lecky bill is €156.16. Okay, so basically, and there's our blank space. Lines 2 up until 7 are all for this one sentence here. And then 9 till 12 is for this part here, second part of the question. So then the question asked you to get the user to input the units of electricity they use, and then use the same thing, the same standing charge and the same price of a unit, so 19 cent, and I just rounded it as well to 2 decimal places. So user units assigned to, so that's a variable, an int, input, how many units of electricity did you use this month? So when they put that in, then it will be multiplied by 0.19 and then added 26.2 to that, rounded to 2 decimal places, and then the user bill, that's the total there will be printed. So we'll just go here. How many units of electricity did you use this month? I'm going to say 809. Your lecky bill will be €179.91. Okay, so that is the first part of that. Now for the optional extension, which was page 30, task 2. So basically we were practicing how to use the if, elif and else here. We actually only needed if and else. You may have used elif in your sample, but this is how I did it anyway. So we were asked to create an input variable of type int. So what is your age? I said if the user's age is less than 17, print you are not yet eligible for a license. And anything else then print you are eligible for a license. So we're going to run that just to show you. So what is your age? I'm going to say 16, which is you are not yet eligible for a license. I'm going to run it again. What is your age? Let's say 18. You are eligible for a license. So I just want to show you there as well. We'll run it once more. What is your age? I'm going to put in 17. You are eligible for a license. Because it was less than 17, so that was anything up until 16, the loop, this small little part will be run. Anything not, it'll be going down to here, you are eligible. So yeah, I hope that helps, lads. Any questions, just let me know in class, okay? Thanks, lads.